Personalizing an entire home is every homeowner's dream. A great way to accomplish that is consistent style throughout. Hi, I'm Scott with Ranney Blair Home Renovations and Additions. Come on in and check out what we've done. A kitchen is what brings friends and family together. Now, we've used a farmhouse style as our inspiration to bring this whole home together. A couple must-haves of a farmhouse style: you have your apron sink, a classic white subway, and to bring some warmth to this space, we built a custom wood vent cover. It really makes it feel like home. Now, speaking of wood, come down here with me. This looks and feels like wood, but it's actually a luxury vinyl plank. It's great for high traffic areas, kids, pets, might even outlast my 2-year-old. Another classic element of a farmhouse style, and you've seen it everywhere, is shiplap. This is a great way to break up some walls and even tie in different spaces together. We've used it over here in the living room. Come over with me. We've incorporated that same shiplap in the living room as an accent wall. On top of the shiplap, we have an ode to the past in this locally sourced, reclaimed, 12-foot long piece of lumber. Now, the real magic happened right above us. This used to be a vaulted ceiling that we brought down to add a bedroom and a bath upstairs. Let's go up and check it out. We made our way up to the bedroom, which, by the way, didn't even exist before. I mean, look at all this space we're able to capture. Keeping in tune with the farmhouse style, we added this brick accent wall, which looks and feels like the brick you'd see on the outside of the house, but we accomplished this with a thin brick. It's a little bit lighter, doesn't protrude as far, still gives you those warm, earthy tones we're looking for. Let's go check out that bathroom we added. Coming into the bathroom, we have a furniture style vanity. It's a little different than your traditional cabinet vanity that looks kind of like your kitchen cabinets. What you can do here is go to an antique store, find something you just really fall in love with, and we can convert it into your vanity. Moving down, we have a beautiful mosaic tile that really draws some interest to the floor and I think completes the bathroom. Let's head back on outside. All right, so we've seen an amazing kitchen, living room, and added space in a bedroom and a bathroom that all help transform this into one beautiful farmhouse. To check out more inspirations, visit us at ranneyblair.com.